Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something powerful, 15 glow-boosting recipes that will transform your skin from dull and tired to bright, clear and radiant. Now, glowing skin isn't just about what we apply on the outside, it is 80% what we eat and drink. When your diet is filled with antioxidants, vitamins, healthy fats, and hydrating foods, your skin naturally responds with clarity, smoothness, and a healthy glow. So in this video, I'll be sharing the best glow drinks, glow smoothies, glow meals, glow snacks, and even glow face masks you can make at home. These are simple, affordable, and perfect for everyday use. Ready to glow from the inside out? Let's get started. Section 1. Glow drinks. 1. Lemon ginger detox water. This is one of the most powerful morning drinks for glowing skin. All you need is warm water, half a lemon, grated ginger and a little honey. This combo flushes toxins out of the body, improves digestion, boosts the immune system and brightens the skin from within. If you want clear, even skin tone, start your mornings with this. 2. Cucumber mint glow water. Cucumber is made of 95% water, which deeply hydrates your skin and reduces puffiness. Mint refreshes your digestive system, and when the gut is happy, your skin becomes naturally clearer. Just slice cucumber, add mint, soak in water, and drink all day. This is perfect for a natural glow and fresh, youthful skin. 3. Turmeric glow milk. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. Mix a pinch with warm milk, honey and a dash of black pepper. It helps brighten dark spots, reduce acne, calm inflammation and repair the skin overnight. Drink this before bed for smooth, glowing skin. Section 2. Glow smoothies. 4. Avocado banana skin smoothie. This smoothie is rich, creamy and perfect for skin repair. Avocado provides healthy fats that nourish and moisturize the skin from the inside. Banana is full of potassium and vitamins that smoothen the skin and reduce dullness. Blend avocado, banana, milk or yogurt, and honey. It gives you that dewy, fresh glow. 5. Berry antioxidant glow smoothie. Berries are anti-aging superstars. They fight free radicals, boost collagen production and help repair damaged skin cells. Blend strawberries, blueberries, yogurt and a spoon of chia seeds. This smoothie keeps your skin bright, firm and youthful. 6. Carrot orange radiance smoothie. Both carrots and oranges are rich in vitamins A and C, the glow vitamins. This combination reduces dullness, clears up blemishes and gives your skin a natural, sun-kissed radiance. Add ginger and pineapple for extra brightness. Drink this often if you want that natural glow from within look. Section 3. Glow meals. 7. Oats plus almond glow bowl. Oats are perfect for calming inflammation in the body, while almonds are rich in vitamin E, one of the best skin vitamins. Add berries and honey for antioxidants and sweetness. This breakfast repairs your skin, supports cell renewal, and keeps your energy steady all day. 8. Spinach and egg skin repair breakfast. Spinach is high in iron, which boosts blood flow and gives your skin a healthy color. Eggs provide protein needed to rebuild skin cells. Together, they help clear dullness and promote firm, glowing skin. This is a perfect breakfast for everyday glow. 9. Salmon glow plate. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and keep the skin soft and hydrated. Pair it with sweet potatoes and spinach for extra vitamins. This meal keeps your skin youthful and reduces dryness from the inside. 10. Avocado and tomato sandwich. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and brightens dark spots. Avocado adds healthy fats that moisturize the skin. Together, this sandwich is simple but super potent for glowing skin. Section 4. Glow snacks. 11. Greek yogurt honey bowl. This snack is amazing for skin because gut health equals glowing skin. Yogurt has probiotics that balance your stomach, reduce acne and improve skin clarity. Honey adds moisture and antibacterial benefits. 12. Mixed berries plus dark chocolate. Berries brighten the skin, dark chocolate improves blood flow, and together they make your skin look fresh and radiant. Just keep the chocolate dark and minimal. 13. Carrot sticks plus hummus. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which supports skin smoothing and repair. It's a light, healthy snack your skin will love. Section 5. Topical glow masks. 14. Honey yogurt glow mask. This mask hydrates, brightens and softens the skin. Use plain yogurt and raw honey. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes for instant radiance. 15. Tomato sugar glow scrub. Gently rub a tomato slice dipped in sugar on your skin. It removes dull, dead skin and tightens the pores. Use only once or twice a week to avoid irritation. And that brings us to the end of this glow-packed video. These 15 recipes are so simple but incredibly powerful for bright, clear, youthful skin. If you want more glow recipes, meal ideas, or DIY natural skincare videos, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this with someone who loves skincare. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep glowing.